In order to create any contact in Yahoo Mail, you need to go ahead and search yahoo.com in the search bar in the top. Get access to your Yahoo Mail, and you will see the contact option that is beside starred in the right hand side of the screen. Go ahead and tap on contact. Now you can see that there are no contacts available in my account. So I'm going to go ahead and create a contact. So hover your mouse to the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on add a new contact with the plus icon. Once you do that, you will get different options. Go ahead and enter the first name of the contact, their middle name or last name. You can also enter their nickname if you like. Then go ahead and enter the email address, either home email, work email, or their email address in this box. Once done, scroll down. You can also enter their phone number, work details, and their personal details such as birthday, anniversary, website, or notes. Then go ahead and tap on save, which is beside cancel, and you'll be done. You can see that the contact has been created. So that's it. I hope you found it helpful. This is how you can go ahead and create contact in Yahoo Mail. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.